Let's do it.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's good with it, man? How you doing?
Man, I'm sitting up here editing a video real quick. Dude, this don't take me no time at all now. Dude, my workflow is something serious, man. I feel like a freaking machine.
I seen you pumping them out, man. You got them flowing, video after video. I mean, you must be getting some good work done over there.
Man, let me tell you about this PC, man. Let me minimize this before I delete something I don't want to delete. I think I told you, like, when you first built it, that night and the next morning, I literally spent like, I don't know, 20 minutes just sitting there staring at it, watching the lights. I was just watching the lights go in and out, bro. Oh man, but then I finally said, oh, you know what? I gotta start downloading my stuff. I gotta get some stuff done, man. It's not supposed to sit here and be pretty. So I just decided to do a quick sample of a long video I had recently done on my laptop. And dude, that laptop was taking like, I don't know, for a 10 to 12 minute video, that laptop was taking like, somewhere around like 45 to 50 minutes.
Ooh,
and then I put it into
my goodness.
Yeah, it was pretty bad, dog. I put it into the new computer. I just, switched the file over and I hit render. It said 7 minutes. I said, nah, this ain't gonna even come out right. This is a joke. I was looking for Ashton Kutcher to come up in here.
This is an error.
Yeah. So I said, okay, I stopped it and then I put on my clock on my phone. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna time this thing to see if it's really bullshitting me or not. So it took literally like 7 minutes and some change. I was
wow.
Like, damn. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So I was like, I didn't even know what to think after that. But yeah, man, it was freaky fast. And I was like, damn, this is what life is like now? This is the PC life right here?
Man, I tell you, it's a when you see that type of improvement and say, man, this is the kind of power that I could get, it's like, what was I doing before? Like, how could I even try something like that?
I mean, you know my situation. When I started YouTube, I was doing it on the Surface Pro 2, I think it was. And then like a year later, I got the HP laptop. And that was like a $1,300 laptop at the time. And I thought I was doing it. You know what I'm saying? Because it was actually faster than the Surface Pro.
Yeah.
So I was like, all right, shoot, I can do this. And then it progressively got slower. And it's still a great laptop. It just ain't made for what I'm doing. But this thing, I know it's way overkill, but shit, I like having this overkill, man. For video editing?
Nah, for video editing, it's more than enough power, man. You can always go, and that's the kind of the good thing about computers, building your own, depending on your budget, you can kind of get that, okay, this is a perfect bang for your budget, just do what I need to do. Or if you got the ability to spend a little more, you can get that more power. Yeah.
Man. I got some 10 to 2, man, power up in this beast, man.
For real.
Speaking of power, all right, I got to tell you some more stuff I'm really excited about. All right, so boot up times is super quick. That has never really been a problem, but like it's kind of freaky fast right here.
Oh, man.
But the thing that really gets me though is when I used to render the videos, it was game over for like 45 minutes to an hour. Like go find yourself something to do and get involved because that's just what life was like. And then even sometimes it would crash in the middle of it because it was so long. So every time I had a long render that was like more than 20 minutes or so,
yeah,
it was always like a crapshoot. Like, man, I gotta keep an eye on this thing, man. It might crash and I had to come back up here. Because a lot of times I would be gone for like an hour, be like, all right, my video is rendering. Then I come back an hour or two later, and it's like, damn, it crashed and it didn't even finish. But now, dude, okay, now I got this 7 minute time, right? I'm like, all right, what can I get done in 7 minutes? And the answer is really nothing, dude. I can't even shoot a thumbnail in 7 minutes. And I've been trying to figure this out ever since like the day the computer was in here. What can I accomplish in 7 minutes? I got just enough time to pee and wash my hands and maybe check an email.
And then you right back. It's like, oh snap.
And I'm right back at it. And I feel like, all right, man, I'm wasting daylight right here. But so what I've been trying to do is I've been trying to get it to multitask, but the damn thing is so fast at rendering, I can't really multitask. Like before I can get this program started up, it's done. And I'm like, shit.
Oh man.
So I was trying to play Borderlands, right?
Yeah.
It was rendering. I had to fire up Borderlands before I started the edit, so it would already be running. And then when I hit render, I went ahead and got in some Borderlands 3, man. I finally downloaded the game and I played that. And it was playing buttery smooth, dude. I was like, this is freaking incredible. Dude, you know, on my last laptop, I couldn't even check my email. Like the Chrome browser would stutter as I was checking my email and freeze up and stuff.
Yeah.
Or the Adobe was gonna crash. Like the computer was just working too hard, man.
Computer's like, nah. Computer was like, nah, we can't. You doing too much.
Yeah, the computer just wasn't having it, man. It gave me like this weird looking face, like, bro, you know I'm not even capable.
Bruh. Bruh.
Yeah, but now, you know, I'm sitting here playing PC games and checking email, and I mean, I really don't do much more than editing on the computer. But like to have all that stuff open at the same time, just running, dude, I still don't even know how to live like this. Like, this is what y'all been doing this whole time?
Man,
This is what life on the other side was like?
I'm telling you, just when you said what you said about Borderlands, like honestly, a lot of times I play a lot of like Call of Duty, and I'll just have it up in the background. So as soon as I'm done editing, if I go to render or whatever, I gotta like pretend. I gotta lie and say, this is rendering, you know, so I can get a game in. And it's really already done. Snap. It's like, it's already done. Man. But I keep that. So I've done that plenty of times where I just had, especially when I was using dual monitors. Oh man, I have a game up on one and Adobe Premiere up on one. I mean, as soon as I hit render, I can jump into a game and the render be done before the game even load all the way up into a match. Like,
yeah,
so fast.
That's what was happening with Borderlands, man. You know, it goes through its opening sequence and stuff, and I'm like, come on, man, hurry up. It's almost finished. I can't even fire off no shots yet.
Oh man,
dog. I don't even know how to do my process no more, man. I shot 5 videos yesterday. Yeah. And I ended up editing and uploading, I think 3 maybe? I can't even remember, dude. And that's the problem. Like, now I can just work and I just video after video after video. I'm spitting them out like a machine, dude.
I see it. You ain't gonna have no, you're gonna have to get to these companies, man. Hey, get me more products so I get these videos out.
Man. The queue is almost empty, man. I got a little backed up when I went to CES, but I'm caught up now, man. God, dog.
Man, I'm glad.
Yeah, I can't wait to have some downtime finally.
I saw them glamour pics. You hit them with the PC Master Race Instagram pics. I seen them looking clean.
They wasn't ready for that, man. They was like, ooh, we wasn't ready. We wasn't ready. Oh man, yeah, I gotta throw some more pictures up on the gram, man.
Yeah, man.
It was looking real sexy that day, and I was like, you know what? People need to know.
Hey, man,
they need to know.
You'll be like me. Your Google Photos will have like multiple days where all the pictures is just your computer. Like,
yeah, the same damn PC, man. Just. Hey, I finally named it. I don't know if you caught that or not, but I call it the Night King, man.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh,
but did you ever watch Game of Thrones?
I've watched it. I've seen every episode.
Okay, cool. I thought you was one of them cats that didn't watch it.
Nah.
Stop being your friend. Nah. All right, yeah. It's the Night King, man.
Oh,
that's the Night King.
I like that, man. I like that. I like that. That's clean. That's clean.
Hey, man, I just want to tell you, man, I appreciate the hell out of you, man, for doing this for me, dog, because, you know, I knew that I probably could have got it done at some point, somehow, 1 or 2 explosions later, but you came in here, dude, whipped it up real fast.
Oh, man.
And there was no hiccups. Yeah, man. And even the part selection, dude, I wouldn't have even known what to really put in here, man. I appreciate that.
Man, I tell you this, man, it was fun. It was a pleasure. It was great to meet you and the missus, man. Since we did that, I've already talked to other YouTubers, like non-tech YouTubers, about getting their PCs built. So, I mean, I'm really loving it, man. It's fun for me. It was great. I got to come back down there, man, and get some more barbecue, some of them medicinal grade drinks, all of that, man. Let's do it.
Hey, man, I've been working on a new drink, man. I haven't named it yet, but yeah, it's definitely pharmaceutical quality.
Ooh.
And over the Super Bowl, man, I made my first pulled pork, man, and it came out good.
Don't tell me. Don't say less. Don't tell me about it. I'm on the road as we speak.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, this summer, man, we gotta all hook up, man, and just do some eating and drinking and some storytelling.
Man, I'm all about it, man. I'm all about it.
All right, man. Well, shoot, I ain't gonna keep you, man. I'm gonna shut this thing down for the day after I get this video uploaded. Yeah, I forgot. You interrupted me, man.
My bad. I'm gonna let you get back to work.
Actually, I was actually just finishing that bad boy up. So I got about 7 minutes until I can be finished.
Oh, snap. Well, I'm gonna let you get back to work, man. You have a good one.
All right, man. I'll holler at you. All right.
Peace.
Bye. Oh, so you wanted them cats that like to just run up in a place, take what you want, then leave, huh? Man, you better hit that subscribe and notification button. That way you know when I'm over here opening up new stuff. And while you're down there, you might want to consider tapping that join button and becoming a member, because membership has its perks. See, that wasn't so bad. All right, man, I appreciate you, and I'll see you at the next one.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?